Today I get to introduce and discuss some of the rewards and the risks of investing in Flexible Solutions International. This is a US traded stock on the NYSE American under the ticker FSI. All the numbers I show you today are in USD. And this video today is as much talking about investing strategy as it is talking about Flexible Solutions International stock, because I started researching this company back at $3 and I did not make a video at that time. This was back during their third quarter 2024 financial results, back when share price was still only at $4. I took a look at the earnings on my Patreon Discord, said they look good to me. This is another candidate for a video and possibly a move up the list. And still, I did not make a video. I do not know why. And now today, $6.30. This stock has more than doubled, but I would not be making a video on FSI today if I didn't think they had more potential to go up in the future. One example of the CANSLIM method here was a very popular stock, Constellation Software. Every time this stock would go up, people would get scared and panic, sell this stock down. This was back when it was only $2,000 a share. That chart I was showing you was just this tiny little speck of time in Constellation Software's history. And of course, from this price where we were seeing those people panic sell the stock down, it is again more than doubled into the future. And that's why I suggest this book, just so you can understand microcap stocks and my style of investing a little bit more. Now, keep in mind, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. I don't know anything about you, your risk tolerance, how much money you're working with, your experience with investing or with microcap. So this is just talking about some of these stocks. This is how I invest, not how to invest. And don't forget to get my comments and my research on some of these stocks before I make a video on them. Go check out my website, www.commonsensebrands.ca. It will take you to my Patreon Discord. The Discord is where I research all of my stocks. This is their website where they say they're devoted to embracing a green way of living. Mostly for me, I'm impressed by the diversity here. They're talking about increasing crop yields for farmers, reductions in water usage and energy consumption at oil and gas organizations, all while decreasing environmental footprints through cleaning and water treatment methods. So what does Flexible Solutions International do, and is there potential in the future? Together with their subsidiaries, they develop, manufacture, and market specialty chemicals that slow the evaporation of water in Canada, the United States, and internationally. Something like Heat Saver, which is a liquid pool cover. Basically, you put this in pools and it reduces the loss of heat to the outside environment. And Water Saver Evaporation Control, conserve water, environmentally friendly, a new patented surface water evaporation control product that will conserve an average of 35% of the water loss due to evaporation, even during drought-prone periods. Simply spread Water Saver on any body of water and its patented self-spreading actions will provide continual coverage. Water reservoirs for fire preparation so cities don't burn down too soon? I don't know. I'm just saying FSI could potentially help there. What really drove share price forward recently, and something that I really respect from a company, is when the CEO says something and they follow through with it. So in their most recent earnings, they said in addition to the improvement of their existing business, they believe we advanced our new food product opportunities in the quarter and hope to announce some success relatively soon. We feel that 2025 might see a strong upside in profits for both existing and new businesses. One of the analysts, Tim Clarkson, asks about this new area in food, saying, is there potential if these new products hit that this could double the size of the company? The CEO responded, Tim, that's yes. That's what we're aiming for. The addressable market size of food is multiples of our current revenue and active margins. That was November 15th. By January 16th, the company announces this contract for food grade manufacturing. Flexible Solutions International estimates that the contract can possibly generate revenue per year between $15 million and $30 million or more. Significant, right? How big is this company? Not very big. This is a trailing 12-month chart, meaning in the past 12 months, this company has produced $38.4 million. They just added $15 to $30 million or more potentially from one contract moving forward to these numbers. So that's pretty good. I would like to point out, because I do discuss the risk and rewards of a stock, this has been off people's radar for a while. You could see here back in 2022, they actually had $45.8 million. They went through a significant decline, even selling off one of their legacy businesses in the past, right? Once they did that, they have been focused on recovery. So far, we have only seen about 2 to 3 quarters of improvement from FSI before announcing this new contract. But through this improvement, they have made significant strides in profitability. Operating income is up from 2.9 to 3.7 to $5.9 million. Significant growth, and EBITDA is up just as quickly. So improvement, new contract. Love it. Additional things that were said during the earnings call of Q3 2024 is that the company has a pipeline of 5 products, each with 7-figure revenue potential, all in the final stages prior to purchase orders. So this is one contract. Are there more coming? So that's all fantastic stuff. A complete narrative change for this company that was suffering and on its way down just 1 year ago has a significant inflection point, improves their profitability, and then announces a great new contract. That's great. That's a huge change, but does it have good financial fundamentals? $10.6 million of cash, that is more than doubled since December 31st, 2023, when they only had $5 million of cash. This is on top of $7 million of long-term debt. $2.3 million of that is current. They have a few things for you to go research. They do have some goodwill, some investments to go check out. But overall, they got $32 million of total current assets and only $10 million of total current liabilities. So it's a pretty good start. What they have been very successful at while trying to get these new contracts is reducing expenses. You could see that even though revenue did not go up significantly from 2023 to 2024, moving from 28, almost 29 million to 29 million, so almost no growth, you could look at their gross profit. It increased from 7.5 million to 10.5 million, so a $3 million gain in gross profit despite the lack of revenue growth. And at the end of the day, they were able to basically double their net income from $1.5 million all the way to $3 million. So significant bottom line improvement even before this new contract. 45% insider ownership, so they have some skin in the game. Only 8.83% institutional ownership. So if this company continues executing, continues to get these new contracts, continues to improve their bottom line, will they start getting noticed by more institutional investors, getting that major money buying pressure? They are not discovered yet at all. This is an analyst prediction of Flexible Solutions International from 2024 to 2026. They only have one analyst covering this stock. That is it. And that one analyst has predicted that this company moves from $3 million in net income in 2024 to 4.5 in 2025, and then all the way up to 9.7 in 2026 when this new contract really starts to kick in. What are some of the risks of Flexible Solutions International? Well, I have to start off with share price. It's gone up pretty significantly recently, so this is a strange time for me to make a video because I'm not sure if it holds this price or whether we get a little bit of profit taking and it goes down a little bit. But at the end of the day, $78 million market cap company. They only are sitting at today, trailing 12 months annualized EV to EBITDA of about 9, 1.2 price to sales, and a P to E of 10. Also, get an investor relations person, do up an investor deck, try to convince us to become shareholders. There's no slide deck, there's no presentation, nothing. As you'll notice from this presentation, what did I do this whole time is read to you from tiny little bits of text. And that's because there was no investor deck to present. There was no graphics. There was nothing really sexy to present to people and attract new investors. So they could definitely do a much better job on that. But at the end of the day, revenue trending up, yes, now that they have new contracts, earning trending up, probably cash trending up, definitely. Did not look at ROIC, valuation trending up, yes. So is this a good CANSLIM stock? Does Flexible Solutions International meet the requirements of the modified CANSLIM method. I think it's got some potential. You've been watching Common Sense Investing. My name is Cameron. As always, thank you for your time.